Hi everybody. Guess what? There's a bad storm coming here in Hudsonville, Michigan. Storm is approaching. There's a cell. Look at this. As you can see, there's a cell ahead. Focus here. The cell right near Muskegon and Grand Haven is moving at the east of at 49 miles an hour. This first cell, and it's moving toward Grand Rapids, and look at that storm motion at the east at 49 miles an hour. Storm height is 22,700 feet. Max reflectivity 57 dBz. So that's right there. And the other cells run around Lake Michigan. It's running at the east at 56 miles per hour. Storm height is 20,200 feet, and the max reflectivity is 53 dBz. And temperatures were in the were upper 50s, low 60s today, as far as weather is concerned. Now it is up to 60 degrees now. So, look at that. There's a heavy rain right there. As you can see, it's coming towards us. Let's zoom in. Boy, it's screaming toward Hudsonville right now. It's gonna rain cats and dogs. As a matter of fact, see that heavy rain right there coming towards Alpine and Walker area, and all the way keeping down towards Holland right now. And also zoom out. That heavy rain, big man, heavy rain. Basically outside towards Ludington. Now this cell is now he passed all the way from Traverse City, Michigan, all the way down to Holland. So this is gonna threaten West Michigan big time. So in an hour from now, this cell is gonna burst into Ionia, Michigan, between Grand Rapids and Lansing. This ain't looking good right now. Oh, look at this now. It's pouring down rain now. The big drops. Even if you're going outside, that ain't good news.
downstairs?
What?
I'm fine. I just have I wanna pay my bill, but I also need to stop,
Boy, look at it come down now. See that puddle right there? Trying to focus here. This camera's losing focus. That puddle is bleeding down the sidewalk. Heard a few rumbles of thunder, as you can tell. So, that's it for now. Look at this. This cell, right here, what I'm talking about right here, is now in heavy rain cell, moving into east at 56 miles per hour. Storm height is 20,300 feet. Max reflectivity, 57 dBz. And this another moving cell right here. Is died down to. It's now at the east at 47 miles per hour. 22,800 feet is the X-ray reflectivity is 57 dBz. And this is geeping past Interstate 96. Those two cells. One is going to hit north of Lansing, while the other one, about a couple of hours, is going to hit Lansing. Before that, south of Grand Rapids. And this other cell, just coming from Wisconsin, moving at the east at 53 miles per hour. 34,500 feet. The storm height, 54 dBz. And look at that. It's going to hit Holland in another hour or two. Another storm cell just south of Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This is at the east at 24 miles an hour. 600 feet is the storm height right now. So and storms are coming from Wisconsin. It is. Temperatures in the 60, 65, and 74. Into the it is, well, mid 60s are here in Michigan. 60-degree temperatures are in Michigan right now. And when you go down south, it's warm down there. Well, that's it for now.